Okay, so let's look at the present continuous passive, which is really an ongoing action, something happening now. So the present continuous. So an ongoing action happening now. Okay, so Jessica is writing the book. Notice the grunds, ing, the infinitive to write, ing. James is driving the car, happening now. He's driving the car. She's writing the book. But then remember that the object is greater than the subject in the passive voice. So the book is being written by Jessica. The car is being driven by James. Writing the book, written by Jessica. Writing, written. Because we use this word here, being, to explain that it's in the present tense, even though the verb is in the past tense. Written, writing. Driving, driven. That's important to understand. The book is, indicating happening, now is being. Without being, the sentence doesn't make sense. The car is being driven by James. Drive turns into driven, is being happening. Happening now, again. Happening now, ongoing. So object, is or are, being, past participle, very important, and the rest of the sentence. So we could say, the lesson is, because is singular for one, the lesson is being taught by who's doing this action? By me. By me. The building is being built by them, by the construction company, by them. And even though them is plural, we still use is for singular because the object is only one. If it was something like the cats, plural, the cats are 2 plus. The cats, all those cats, are being cleaned, for example, cleaned. The cats are being cleaned by her. By her. The book, we've got the book, okay, the book, the novel, is being written by her. Why? How? Okay. We could even go, my house is being built by me. The house is being built by me. My house is being built by me. Or we could even say, my house is being built by me with the help of my friends. With my friends. My garden is being tended to by me. By us. Yeah. The garden, my garden, your house is being cleaned by them. Anything really, your plants are being watered. Your plants are, 2 plus, are being watered. Watered by her, by the gardener, by the cleaner. Yes, so again, the present continuous is ongoing action and happening now. The book is being written. We always use a past participle. Past participle is being written by Jessica. The car is being driven with the EN by James. The cats are being cleaned by her. The house is being built. Build and built. Building, build and built by them. Very important to understand. Okay. Yes, very good. Let's keep going.